Welcome to the Shellback pump repair. Today we'll be using air compressor, some channel lock, screwdriver, side cutters, and crescent wrench and some hooks that I got out of my wife's sewing kit. And then the video keeps going. Now, of course, we're going to need a light while we're doing this. Got to be able to see what we're doing. And for some reason, I went ahead and stayed on the light for way too long. Some of this stuff needs to be cut out. There's the hooks. Can't remember what kind of hooks they are. Sewing hooks, I think, is what they were, or something else. I can't remember. Here we are underneath the sink, next to the dishwasher, or actually the washing machine.
No.
And laying on my side, on my back, struggling to get the union off there, the nut.
Oh, yeah.
Twist, twist. Eighth of a twist at a time. Barely use my fingers. I remember this being a struggle. It was not fun. Okay, keep going, keep going.
Bowl.
Yeah, we're
Catch
seeing you.
water.
Yeah, oh, look, there's some water.
'Cause I'm
I hope you were
dripping.
prepared for that. You got a bucket there, buddy? Oh, look at that. Not a bucket. He went and got a dang bowl from the kitchen. That'll make the wife happy. All right, now use your fingers to twist off the union the rest of the way.
Square bowl.
Twist, twist. Oh, it's squirting all over the wall. God dang it, got on the screen. Oh, even worse.
Can't see what you're looking
Cleaned
at.
it up. Now we're going to go for the pump itself.
I know.
Can't see the report.
From what I remember, this is pretty easy to get off there. But you got to make sure to hold it on the bottom.
Good.
Twisty, twisty. Put it down, use your fingers. That thing's heavy.
That might have some water in it.
Almost there. There it went. Ouch, that was heavy. You can see there's probably some gunk
Okay,
stuck up
dropped
in
it.
there. That's why we took it down, because it was not draining. Well, it was draining. What was happening is it wouldn't shut down. And as you look in there, you can see we've got a bunch of stuff in there. Looks like there was just, I don't even know. I mean, how would that stuff even get in there? Well, it's just strings and stuff after I finally get it all out of there. And hook, you use the hook, use the hook. You can see how I'm struggling to get the strings out of there, but there's a bunch of them in there. So we go to a different size. Let's see if I can get them out of there. It will make it hard for you guys to see in there, but what we're trying to do is just pull everything out all at once, I guess. Looks like it's coming right there.
Get all this crap out of there.
I think this was the whole culprit that was making it not work. Yeah, look at that nastiness. Blech. That's
why it wasn't
gross.
working?
And that's just from the washing machine, and we put a sock on our
It's a stinker, I know that.
the
looks like
washing machine when it
everything.
drains
Yeah, it
in.
looks like the whole clog.
So that's weird, and we
Well,
just
that's it.
don't throw
That's
things
it.
down the drain.
Got it
Need
all.
to make sure this is clear.
So I don't know,
That's a good job.
but we got it cleared out.
You want to show the water
And I
that was
think
in there?
there was the air compressor. I was going to use that. Yeah, look at that nastiness. Ew, I don't even know what that is. What is that? I mean,
It's like a
gross.
piece of a lint trap went
Yuck.
down there.
Let's play with it a little more.
Good.
All right, so I remember doing this. I don't know why. I think there was
The water doesn't come up.
this seems to be some kind of,
Doesn't come up.
it tells
Yeah, you gotta bust it
the
loose.
pump when there's water in the drain, I guess is what it is. So what I'm gonna do is put the end of the air compressor on it and
Stab yourself.
blow the crap inside. Had to use a little screwdriver because that little rubber hose was super stuck to that metal piece of pipe. I think it's a piece of copper or something. Yep, that just pulled it right off very easily. Now I think I'm
There
gonna
might be
throw
some
the
gunk
air
in
compressor onto that, and from what I think will happen is all that air will come flying up towards the camera. Let's
Can't
see.
really tell. Let me get the air compressor.
Yeah. I don't know how we know if there's anything in there.
You watch.
Well, there we got the air working. Let's see what happens here.
Ooh.
But okay, blow the tube out.
Crap.
Well, don't do it inside there. Do it on the paper.
A little bit of crud came out of there. Not much.
See it?
Now we're going to blow it into the pump itself, which should make a mess. Oh yeah, a little bit of stuff came out of there. So we're clear. One more time for good measure. Now put it back together. Just the way it came apart. And now here we are back underneath the sink. Didn't grab that off there when I was there before. So let's go ahead and watch me struggle to hold this up there by myself and get it on there. All right.
This plastic piece.
And you can see, got my wife over there. She's being good and helping and handing me everything that I need. Let's just get that out of there. That don't need to be there.
That was almost a foot cramp.
Okay, hold that thing up there. This is the struggle part. Okay, here we go. How many times does it take you to get it done? Hooked it right in on the first try. How often does that happen?
Okay, and the rubber. This is the rubber that goes between the union.
Had to get the rubber for the union. Make sure you put that on there. You could be getting leaks everywhere. There we go. The union doesn't want to go together. All right, back over here. Tighten that nut. Tighten the union nut. Up in the sink, dirty sink. We're gonna fill that bad boy up.
You need hot water?
No, turn the cold more cold than hot.
Well, might as well wash your hands while you're at it.
Just turn the hot off. But
Maybe not.
I don't know.
Are we really gonna have to watch all of this go up? It'll take forever. I guess that's the best way. I guess I could have sped it up, but whatever.
So now the pump should just turn on automatically, right?
Yep.
If it's fixed.
Yep.
Oh, that's the old sink too. Since this has been up on YouTube, I've actually put in a new sink. Too bad I didn't videotape that. Not sure why I'm using hot and cold, but whatever. Whatever works. Alright. We turned off the faucet. Looks like the water's going down, and the problem with this pump was it didn't want to shut off. After it drained off all the water, it would just run and run and run and run. So what I'm seeing here is if it'll actually stop. So she's drained through almost all the water. No leaks underneath. Everything looks good. The pump stopped and there was no leaks on the bottom. Thanks for watching.
All this timing, that's all we have to do.
That's it.